Uh, hey y'all, this walk and talk was meant to be about another subject, but I was so disturbed by the walking trail that it derailed my original walk and talk. Therefore, this walk and talk is about walking trails. Know your walking trail before you go walking on that walking trail. What's up, everybody? It's the Gambler. And we walking and talking about knowing your walking trail before you go walk on that trail. That's what this is about. Do you have those days where it feels like it's like a day from hell, and you're just exhausted, actually from yesterday, and trying to figure out how you're going to get through today? And where you're going to get that strength from? I had one of those days. And it's one of those days where you need a cheerleader. You need some spiritual help because you feel knocked down. Good morning. That's what we're walking and talking about today. What's up, family and friends? It's the Gambler. And we're walking and talking about celebrating you. Celebrating yourself. And how to get through hard times when life is just lifing. How do you do it? Everybody talk about it. Talk about if you fall down, get back up. What if you tired of damn falling down? And what if you at a point where you just tired of getting back up? Just to know you might just fall back down. What do you do? How do you handle it? When life just keep lifing. It just keep lifing. Now, one thing I'm going to say real quick, you might notice that I might be looking off or what have you. This is a new walking trail that I'm on. And I don't know if I'm going to do this walking trail. Because take a look over here. Let me see if I can fan it out for you over here. That look like, I don't know if you can see it. But that look like alligators and stuff could be off over up in there. I mean, seriously. Oh, excuse me. Okay. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. You know, I don't live in Florida, and I would expect to see something like that in Florida. But I'm not really too comfortable with that. Because I know my attention when I'm walking and talking is going to be on this video. It's going to be on y'all. And that look like that. I might have like an alligator laying over there And I just, or water moccasin snake or something. And I might not be able to pay attention. Now I like this walkway. But now, look over there. This might be naturing too much. This might be a bit too much nature. Okay. Bring it back in, Tony. Let me try to get back to what this walk and talk was about. Cause I ain't gonna be able to do it. I don't like this walking trail. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Woo. And it looks like the Smoky Mountains now. Whew, I ain't gonna be able to do this. Okay, but let me see if I can get through this walk and talk. Okay. So, let me see if I can bring it back in. So, this really is about how you get through life when life just keeps lifing. You know, I listened to this song. My sister-in-law had mentioned this song to me. And shout out to my sister-in-law. I won't say her name. But she mentioned this song. Her and my wife hung out last weekend for the day and mentioned this song to me. And when I listened to the song is very inspiring. And I would encourage all of you who just going through something, or if you're not going through something, if you want to hear a beautiful song, this is a beautiful song. The song is called Celebrate Me. I think her name is Inga Rose, INGA Rose, one word. And the song, once again, is Celebrate Me. But when I heard the song in my car, it hit me like a ton of bricks. Because how often do we celebrate ourselves? It's like we have been through so much. I know I have been through so much in my life. I have survived so much. I have survived things that people told me I wouldn't. I've been broken. So many cracks. If you could see the physical cracks on your body, or if you could see the scars from things that you've been through on your life, from things you've been through in your life, you wouldn't recognize them. You wouldn't. Hold on a second. Here goes some more creepiness. Let me show y'all how creepy this is. Oh God, I gotta get up out of here. This is a swamp. Hold on a minute. Let me just see if I can fade in and show you. I'm gonna walk over here by it and see if I can show you. That, I'm trying to see if I got it on the camera. That look like the Everglades. Like I'm off up in Florida or Louisiana or somewhere. I'm gonna make this real quick and show. I might turn around and just, y'all know what? I ain't gonna be able to do it. This is the second spot. I don't feel safe here with nature. I just don't, y'all. I'm going back to the car. I'm gonna shoot this in the car. So I'm finna turn around, and I ain't gonna. I mean, seriously, I ain't gonna be able to do this walking trail. No way, no how. That look like. I hope I'm getting it on the camera because I can't see how I got the camera. Let me see if I can. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can do it like that. Trying to see if I can. I don't want to get too close here. Trying to see if I can zoom in where you can. I want you to be able to see and feel. Oh, don't let me get too close here and fall my A down off up in there. Then I really got a problem. But I just really sort of want y'all to get to see. I hope it recorded and I'm able to get it in there, but I want y'all to see what I see. And this is the second spot. I showed y'all the first one. I mean, this looks like Bigfoot live off up in here. Alligators live off up in here. Swamp monster live off up in here. Everything you don't want to encounter live off up in here. And I'm not going to be off up in here. I'm finna go back to the car. So, like I said, I'm going to pick this up in the car. And I'll be right back with y'all. I don't care how many people walking off up in here. But what I do know is I'm not going to be walking off up in here. So, I'll see y'all in 5 minutes when I get back to the car. I'm going to keep it rolling though. Just, I'm going to talk with y'all while I walk on out of here. Might add that footage in the video. If it don't be too crazy, but yeah. When I'm feeling adventurous, this would be a walking trail that I think I will come to. I don't even think I could probably convince Sean to do this one, but I'm not gonna tell her about it. I just get her, hey, how you doing? I just get her to come go walking with me and let her see for herself. Now I could see doing this just a walking trail and somebody's walking with me. Cause you have to me, you have to constantly be aware of your surroundings in here. For real, for real. Yeah, I probably will put this in the video. It just depends, but I'm letting y'all walk back out with me. I'm heading back out of here. And so since I gotta head back out of here, I might as well keep the camera rolling. And you never know what I can talk about while I got the camera rolling. You know, nature is a beautiful thing. I came from the woods. I grew up in the bushes. Well, not in the bushes, but I'm originally from Mississippi. Now, where I live wasn't in the bushes, but it's still country. But to us, it wasn't country or bushes. It's a town. It's a little small town. But this is beyond bushes. Look at this. That look like Bigfoot gonna run right, come run, charge you right straight down that path. I wonder, is that like mush, mulch, or I don't even know what they call it. Like, it looked like the Everglades. I can guarantee that that's probably not firm. I imagine if you step on that, your foot is going straight down into some mud. It looks like, it's very deceiving. It looked like it could be grass and you could just walk on it, but it's not. Oh my God, that's that creepy, swampy looking stuff right there. Look at that. What are those things? I don't see those in movies. What are those things, y'all? I don't see that in movies, like in swamp movies. I mean, real life swamp movies, I don't see that. I ain't never seen that in person. In real life. Lord have mercy. Got to be more careful. Okay. Dang. I really do hate that, because this trail is really like 3 minutes from my house. And I just knew I had found me the perfect walking trail where I could walk and talk and do my little videos and get my exercise in. But this ain't it, y'all. This ain't it. No. No. This is not it. So like I said, I'll keep filming till I get out of here. No. What is this trail called? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. What did that say? And I had really got into it. Really just took me a minute to get there, what I wanted to talk about, and had just got into it. And then I had to stop and get out of here. Oh, I tell you, the devil is a lie. He don't want me to do this video. He don't. But I got something for him. I'm going back to the car and do the video. Wait a minute. Might be able to walk, but no, that's just like when I walk in my neighborhood. Yeah. What was that? Was that supposed to be the walking trail? Oh my God. I felt like I was in a Tarzan movie or Swamp Monster movie or Florida Everglades. Lake Placid movie. Anaconda movie. That's what that felt like. Oh my God. OMG. Got to be more careful. Y'all, so I'm back in the car, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this video. This video really is gonna be more about know where you walking, know where you going, know when you going somewhere, know where you going before you get there. That's what this walk and talk is gonna be about. Cause this like shocked me, like rocked me to my core. This walking trail, it's like out in the jungle somewhere. I can't see why anybody would want to walk on this walking trail. It looked like you were gonna be on an adventure in the jungle, like Tarzan, and encountering and having to fight all type of creatures and animals, wild animals. It wasn't a walking trail for me. So this walk and talk really gonna be about, I guess, walking trails and how to find you a good walking trail. And before you go to that walking trail, maybe you need to check it out before you say, hey, I'm going and I'm gonna go walk over there. You need to do a pre-check on your walking trails. I didn't do a pre-check on this walking trail. And I'm paying for it. Because I had a subject that I wanted to talk to you guys about. I was passionate about it. I'm going to talk about that subject on another walk and talk. It ain't going to be this one. Because mentally, I'm not there. This is just shook me. I mean, no. I'm really, really irritated. I'm really, really bothered. I'm a little angry. But I should have did my research. And I should be only mad at myself because I should have researched this before I brought my tail out here talking about I'm fixing to go walking on a new walking trail. And I done came out here and found out the truth. That it's a real live jungle out here. A real live swamp out here. A real live fend for your life walking trail. Not the walking trail for me. I ain't gonna be able to do it. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Had my 45 minutes, 30 minutes, even 60 minutes planned out. That ain't gonna happen. I'm bothered by that, John. I'm really, really bothered. I'm trying to think of what I'm going to do. Do I go find another walking trail and go walk? Or do I go back to my other walking spots and shoot my video? Or do I just pack it up, call it a day, do it over tomorrow? That's what I do. But I tell you what, this drive back home. But when I get back home, if I still feel it in my spirit, the original walk and talk that I needed to walk and talk about, that I felt that I needed to talk about today, if I still feel it in my spirit when I get home and get in the garage, then I'll sit there and I'll do that video. That's the plan. But right now, I'm finna leave this walking trail. But I'm going to come back to this walking trail. I'm going to bring Sean back to this walking trail. Nah, I ain't going to bring her back to this walking trail. She'll cuss me out. Nah, I ain't going to do that. Nah, that's not a good idea. I ain't going to do that. I'm going to leave this walking trail in the rearview mirror. I'm not coming back here. Nah. Okay, y'all. If you got value from this video, and if you did not get value from this video, I need y'all to like, subscribe, comment, click the email link below, join the email list. I really would appreciate it. And I'm going to see y'all on another side of another video. Love you.